This is a stadium in a box. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this. It's from an individual, I believe, 3D printed, and I'm excited about it. What you can see here is that this box, you can see those little 3D printing lines here. It's actually done in that colored filament, Northwestern purple, the Northwestern logo on the top of it. It's called Swiftland Replicas, and I think you can get other stadiums, but in this case I got the Northwestern football stadium, Ryan Field, and why I picked this up is twofold. One, I went to Northwestern, kind of nostalgic for it all the time, and this little stadium here is pretty cool looking. I spent a lot of time there, still do, but on top of that, getting little replicas like this, you know, even though some companies manufacture them, they almost never do the Northwestern stadiums because there just really isn't a big enough alumni base to buy them. And so the replicas of, you know, the Big House in Michigan or your favorite NFL stadium, easy peasy. But Northwestern doesn't quite get the love, and I get it. It's not a really strong business case to cater to the Northwestern alums. Now, this one is very detailed. It's not that big. It's probably about 7 inches by 7 inches, and you can see here that we do have the Randy Walker Terrace, the scoreboard, all of the seating, the original facade to the stadium there, and we've got some sort of decal on there. You can see the tunnel, and we've got the little Wildcat statue down there. And again, the second reason I picked this up is because a new Ryan Field is coming. They are rebuilding it. It's supposed to be one of the grandest stadiums in all of college sporting event venues, and it will be, you know, darn near $1 billion stadium, and this one will be relegated to your memories. And that's why I picked this up, because a lot of the people that will see the new stadium will never know that it looked like this, that it was kind of cobbled together. These two are the only original parts to it. It used to just kind of be bleachers on both sides. This part was added, so you could actually walk right through the field for years and years without ever having anything in between or in your way. Now they've got buildings on either end there capping it off too. So if you want to pick this up, I suppose they could make another one. I don't know if there's any other Wildcats out there that care, but if you want one of your stadium and you want Swiftland Replicas to make yours, they might even have it in stock ready to go, then I think you'll like it. It wasn't that expensive, and just a little piece of memory. One thing I will probably do here is mount it in one of those 3D picture boxes and put it on the wall, just to kind of keep it looking nice. I wonder how 3D filament will handle over time. You can see there's already a little warpage. I think that's just from the heat as they make this thing, but I think that's just from the heat as it's manufactured. But there's just a little bit of bowing to it. Not bad, just a little bit, but I think that's just from the heat as they manufacture it. So I'm really excited about this. Cool way to get something that I don't think I can get anywhere else. So if you want to pick up your favorite stadium from Swiftland Replicas, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.